Hi, I'm Krystie, the Marketing Manager at the Automation Company. Today I'll demonstrate how to use HubSpot's original source property to populate lists and segments. Let's get started. So first, like always, you'll want to log into HubSpot, navigating to HubSpot.com and entering your credentials. And while I navigate over to our demo environment, from the main navigation menu, you'll click on Contacts and then select List. From here, you'll click on the Create List button and choose between Active List or Static List based on your needs. For this demonstration, we'll create an active list. Enter a name for your list such as Organic Search Leads. And you'll want to give it a description. For now, we'll just leave it as test. We'll hit Next, and then we'll set the criteria. To do this, you'll click on Add Filter, and then you'll select Contact Properties. In the search bar, type in Source, and then you'll want to select Original Source. Now, choose the value you want to segment by. For example, original source is organic search. Click Apply Filter to set the criteria, and then you'll click Save. And that's how you use HubSpot's original source property to create targeted lists and segments. I hope this helps you better organize and target your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching.